shining, and the birds are singing. It's a beautiful day to play outside. Pip, the soft little monster, goes out into the garden. Today, he's going to discover a very special place, his granny's vegetable garden. Wow, what is all this? Wonders Pip. He sees plants everywhere, of all sizes and colors. Granny arrives with a big watering can. Hello, my dear Pip. Welcome to my vegetable kingdom. Granny shows Pip a plant with big red balls. These are tomatoes, she explains. They love the sun to become nice and red and juicy. A little further, green leaves are sticking out of the ground. And what's this? Asks Pip. Pull on it gently, says Granny with a smile. Pip pulls and, pop, a beautiful orange carrot appears. Pip learns that before becoming a vegetable, there is a tiny little seed. Granny shows him a packet. We plant the seed in the soil, give it water and sun, and it grows and grows. First, a small stem comes out of the ground, continues Granny. Then leaves grow. That's how crunchy lettuces are born. Pip also discovers strawberries hidden under their leaves. Yum! This is a fruit, he says, taking a bite of one. It's so sweet and delicious. There are also zucchinis that look like long green sticks, and little peas hiding in greenhouses called pods. It's fun to open them. At the end of the day, Pip has a big basket full of treasures from the garden: tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, and strawberries. He is very proud of his harvest. Tonight for dinner, Pip and his granny are going to enjoy the good vegetables from the garden. Thank you, Granny. The vegetable garden is magic, says Pip. He can't wait to see other wonderful things grow.